Mom and Dad, please come here quickly. I found something very bright in the soft dirt.
What is it, my sweet boy? I am coming to see your wonderful and exciting new discovery.
I am coming too. Let us see what you have hidden there by the roots of the tree.
Look at this silver object. It is shining like a small star on the green grass right now.
It is a very old silver key. It looks very special, and maybe it opens a secret door.
That is a very interesting find. I wonder where this beautiful silver key came from today.
I found it near this big oak tree. Do you think it belongs to the old wooden treehouse?
The treehouse has been closed for a long time. This key might finally open the heavy door.
You are a very smart boy. We should go up and try the key in the lock now.
I am very excited to see what is inside. Maybe there is more treasure in the treehouse.
Please be careful as you climb the ladder. The wooden steps are very old and very tall.
I will hold the ladder for you. We can all go up together to solve this mystery.
The silver key is glowing in my hand. It feels warm and very light as I hold it.
That is very strange and magical. I have never seen a key that glows like a little lamp.
Let us start the adventure now. Hold the key tightly and follow me to the big tree.
This is gonna be the best day ever. I love finding secrets in our big green backyard.
The family climbs the old wooden ladder to reach the high treehouse in the green backyard.
Look at the high ladder. I want to climb up to the treehouse right now.
Please be very careful on the wooden steps.
Okay.
Hold the sides with your small hands.
I will follow you up the ladder. We can see the whole garden from the top.
Step by step, they climb higher into the leaves. The treehouse is very high above the ground.
I am finally inside the treehouse. It is very dusty, and there are many old toys.
The wooden walls are very thick. This place is perfect for a secret summer adventure.
Wait a minute. There is a small wooden door hidden behind these old brown boxes.
I never saw that door before. It is very tiny, and it has a silver lock.
The door is definitely locked. We need to find a small key to open it today.
Where can the key be? Maybe it is under the rug or in a secret corner.
Let us look on the floor. I see something shiny near the corner of the room.
I found a silver key. It was hiding under a pile of old yellow leaves.
That looks like the right key for the lock. Let us try to open the door.
Put the key in the lock slowly. We want to see what is behind the door.
The key is turning. I can hear a loud click inside the small wooden door now. The door opens slowly. A bright light shines from the room they never knew existed.
The silver key fits perfectly into the old lock on the wooden treehouse door. I am very nervous, but also very happy to see what is behind this heavy door.
Oh, maybe we will find a secret map or some golden coins inside this dusty room.
Please be careful because everything in this old treehouse looks very fragile and very old.
Look at all these wonderful things that are waiting for us in the dark corners.
Wow! There are so many books with colorful covers and strange titles on the shelves.
I see a metal machine that has many gears and a very long silver pipe.
My grandfather built these strange inventions a long time ago in this very special place.
Can you tell me what this big glass lens is for, dear father?
That is a telescope, which people use to look at the bright stars at night.
Look! Oh my! Wow!
Look at this old map. It shows a hidden treasure in the dark forest nearby.
I want to read every page of these books and learn about all the machines.
This clock is still ticking, even though it is very old and covered in dust.
I found a small wooden box hidden under this big pile of old science papers.
We must open the wooden box to see what secrets are hiding inside of it.
The family stands together in the room as they prepare to open the mysterious box.
Mom and Dad, come quickly and look at this big wooden box.
That is a very old chest, hidden under the small wooden table.
It looks very heavy, and it has a shiny silver lock here. The small boy tries to pull the heavy box across the floor.
I cannot move it because it is too heavy for me today.
Do not worry, I will help you move it to the light.
Wait, look at these small numbers on the side of the lock.
The family sees 3 secret numbers written on the dusty wooden box.
What are the secret numbers we need to open the old chest?
We must solve a math puzzle to find the right secret code.
The first number is 2 plus 3, so the answer is 5. The young boy turns the lock to the first number very carefully.
I set the lock to number 5. Then now what is next, Dad?
The second number is double 2, which makes the number 4.
The last number is 1 less than 10, which is number 9.
The code is 5, 4, and 9. I am turning it now.
Look at this old paper. It is a colorful map that shows a hidden treasure in the garden.
Is this map from my grandpa? I want to see where the big red X is on it.
Yes, your grandpa drew this many years ago. It leads to a secret time capsule near the tree.
The map shows 3 big steps from the old treehouse to the middle of the green garden.
The garden is very big. How can we find the exact place where the time capsule is?
We must follow the yellow path on the map and look for a very special small rock.
The family stands under the massive oak tree, while the sun shines through the thick green leaves. The oak tree is our starting point. Let us look at the drawing of the wooden treehouse.
I can see the treehouse up there. It looks like the one on this old paper map.
Here. The map says we need to walk towards the flowers. Look at those bright red roses there.
Hold the map carefully, my son. We need to walk slowly and count every step we take.
1, 2, and 3. I am walking towards the roses, just like the map shows me.
You are doing a great job. The time capsule should be very close to that big stone.
Wait, look at the grass right here. There is a small wooden sign near the tree roots. Finding the time capsule is an exciting adventure for the little boy and his happy, kind parents.
I found the spot. The ground is a little bit soft here. Can we start digging now?
Yes, we can start digging. Grandpa said the capsule is full of wonderful things from the past.